Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. And then scroll down to find the option block numbers. Tap on it. Here we've got the information that we will no longer receive calls or messages from this number, so just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, if you wish, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now to open the blacklist, we have to tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and go to the settings. Here, let's tap on blocked numbers. And this is the number which we blocked from our contacts, that's our blacklist. Here we can also tap on add a number and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Here we can also block unknown callers just by tapping on this switcher here, and you can tap on it again to turn it off. So to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.